What's a BINSR? We're going to talk about that next. Hi guys, John Diaz, your Arizona Realtor. Today we're talking about the BINSR. BINSR stands for Buyer's Inspection Notice Seller Response. This is the form that you fill out when all your inspections are completed. The BINSR gives the buyer 3 choices at the end of their inspection period. The first choice is to reject the property. You found something that's a deal breaker. You don't want to give any more thought to that property. You want to move on. You check that box to reject the property. You get your earnest money back and you move on and find another house. Second choice is to accept the property with no corrections necessary. You loved it. You didn't find anything wrong with it. You're ready to move on. The third choice is you found a few things on the inspections that you think needs to be corrected, so you'll give the seller an opportunity to correct those things. You'll write all that up in the list of items along with your inspection report and send it off to the seller. Now the seller has 5 days to respond to your BINSR, and the seller has 3 choices in ways to respond. The seller can, 1, agree to correct all the items on the BINSR, 2, agree to correct some of the items on the BINSR, or 3, be unwilling or unable to correct any of the items on the BINSR. Now, if the seller has either decided not to correct any of the items or only some of the items, you now have a decision to make. Do you want to go forward with this property? Or are you willing to agree to come to terms and accept what the seller has decided to correct? Now, this is a contingency step. If you decide to back out of the contract by something that you have found and deemed uncorrectable by the seller, or the seller has decided not to correct any or only some of the items, you can back out of the contract and get your earnest money back. If you have any questions about the BINSR, the process, or properties, feel free to reach out to me by call or text at 480-442-4651. You can email me or direct message me on social media. Thank you very much for watching my video. You have a great day.